Hi, Tyrus. Hi. Can I talk to Sierra? Oh, feeling okay? Yeah, I'm okay. There was everybody all over the floor in the house. I don't know. Anyways, Steven, are you gonna ask Tigers your question? Do you see now? Yeah, I will. Tigers? Yeah. Oh, that's very nice to me. It's a very nice necklace you have. There. Oh, thank you. My friend gave it to me. Well, I like it. It looks beautiful on you. Thank you. Would you be my boy? Would you be my girlfriend? Sorry, I'm taken. Aww. But who? Jeffrey. Yeah? This guy. What up? Dang it, I knew cougars could only marry your cougars and you wanted to eat me. Yeah. Mommy? Yes? How come there's no younger ones here? Oh, trust me, there is. I know there is. Okay. Nah, I don't want to be here. Grandma. Sorry. Fluffy. Wait a second, where's Foxy? He's at home asleep, isn't he? I better go get him. Hey, dude. Huh? What? Why do I have this? I pranked you, didn't I? Huh? Okay, what? Listen, we gotta go to the wolf's house. Why? Mom and Dad aren't here right now. Well, not your parents, but we have to, okay? Come on. Fine. Where is he? Honey? I'm here. Ooh. Ow. I'm fine. Grumpy. Hey, babe. Mwah. So, who's Titus's boyfriend? Jeffrey? What's up, dude? This is my girlfriend. What's up? Who is your girlfriend? Tigress? Hi. Hi. Where's Foxy? Is Foxy here? Yeah, he's just over there. Foxy! Hi. You can deal with that, babe. I'm gonna play with the little ones. There's more. Where? Let's go. Gotta go. No, wait. Yeah? you be my boyfriend? Oh, dude. No, sorry. I already have a girlfriend. Really, where is she? Mango? Ah, I'm gonna go pull my head off. No, please don't do that. Why? Just don't. What you doing? Nothing. Nothing much. I know, right? You can make your own little circle. What are you doing? I have no one to talk to. Oh, there's one of the walls over here. Hi. Come on. Oh. Hi, my name is Sadie. Hi. My name is Danger. Hey, my name is Red. Well, I don't really. People just call me Red. Oh. Is your name actually Danger? Yeah. Do you like dangerous things? Yeah. Huh, I guess there's another one to talk to me. Oh, you're looking for a little one? Oops, sorry, that was my hair. You look for somebody your age? Yeah, I'll be right back. Blue? No. Hi, my name is Sparkle. My name is Blue. Aw, cute. Any other? Yeah? Can I talk to you? Everybody seems to be chatting, so yeah. What are you into? Me? I'm into reading pranks. You better not be pulling any pranks around my house. Oh, no promises. Come on. What is that supposed to mean? Oh, my mom knows what that means. Does you have a list? Does your mom give you like a list of things of what it means? Sadly, no. Well, not sadly for me, so. I'm just kidding. She sent us with lists. Can you go get it? Yes, the list is green. Okay, I've read it. Hey, Mom. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. You took the kids with you? Yeah. Oh, hi. Why am I going to talk to? Want to pull some pranks? Sure. Let me get my book. Hey, let's go pull some pranks. So, but first, everybody needs to go. Okay, everybody, it's really, really late. We should go to bed now. Aww. Ow. Anyway, go to bed. Where's my girlfriend? Actually, you can get on my house. There we go. Ah, the cougars are in here. Ah, there are people in here. There goes the tent up. Okay, there. Wait, turn it. What should we do? I don't know. Wait, I have a great idea. I know. Oh, never mind. What are you doing, babe? Taking off my necklace. Why? For this prank. Scarf. Necklace scarf. I'd tie somebody up in it, and then hang them from somewhere, and then I'm gonna wake up thinking, what the heck? I put duct tape over it. Oh, let's do it. You're almost done, babe. Just gotta get the duct tape on. Okay, good. Can I see? Oh my gosh. I know, it looks hilarious, doesn't it? Let's go to bed now. Baby! What are you doing?